Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. Today in our Zoom session, we discuss the topic of nutrition. It's on your learners book page number 29. I'm making this video for the students who might miss the Zoom session. So let's start. We know that there are three types of living things: humans, animals, and plants. And they have the life processes. All living things need air to breathe, living need food and water. That is the nutrition part. Living things can move, living things grow, living things have senses. Living things can produce young, like they can have babies, they can grow seeds in case of plants, and lay eggs in case of some animals and birds. And they produce waste. That is the term is used for this is excrete. All living things need food to stay alive, grow, and get energy. Food is very vital for living things. Nutrition is the process by which living things get or make food. But we need food, and the process by which we get food is called nutrition. Animals get their food by eating plants. Some animals like rabbits, cow, buffaloes, elephants, giraffes, and panda eat plants. And some animals eat other animals that are lion, eagle, snake, cheetah, and shark. These animals eat other animals. And humans. Humans eat plants like fruits and vegetables and other animals like chicken, goat, and cow. And humans are the only living things that cook their food, that make their food by cooking. Food from plants. Humans consume everything from fruits, flowers, and even stem of some plants, and leaves also. Stems like lettuce, celery, roots of some plants like carrots, beetroots, and seed of the plants like wheat and rice. These all are the very important part of human food. All the food comes from plant. Even animals depend on plants. Hence, we obtain food from plants directly or indirectly. Plants provide us with vegetables, fruits, coffee, cereal, pulses, fruits, sugar, spices, oil, etc. Different parts of the plants provide different food materials. Now, let's discuss the food that we get from animals. Animals' products are used as food directly or indirectly, like milk, eggs, and meat are important examples of food from animals. Let us have a look at some of the food obtained from animals. Milk, we get it from cow, buffalo, sheep, goats, camels. Eggs, we get it from chicken, ducks, quails, and we eat their meat as well. And if we discuss about meat, there are two types of meat: red meat and white meat. The meat of cow, goat, and sheep has lots of fats and is called the red meat. White meat contains less fat and is obtained from chicken and fish. White meat is healthier and can easily be digested as compared to the red meat. Now comes the most important part of our food system, that is plants. How do plants make their food? Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, air, and nutrients. They collect nutrients from roots and from the soil, like minerals and water, and they get sunlight is very important for making food, and their air is carbon dioxide. Now let's come to your learner's book, page number 29. The text is written: plants make their own food. Plants use light from the sun and carbon dioxide from the air to make sugars. They make sugar in the green parts of the plant and release oxygen as a waste product. Now, you all might have wondered or might be wondering, how do plants excrete? How do plants make their waste? So, here's the answer. Plants excrete by releasing oxygen. Oxygen is useful for us, and that's the waste of the plants. Hope you have understood. What are the main sources of food then? Yes, plants and animals are the main source of food for all the living things on the earth. Now the assignment is you will write the answer of following questions in notebook. How do plants make their food? And where does human food come from? Hope you have understood. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.